If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. While the purchase orders task window is geared to creating vendor orders one at a time, the Select for Purchase Orders window lets you order inventory from multiple vendors at the same time. To open this screen, select Tasks, select for Purchase Orders from the menu bar. First, in the Select for Purchase Orders filter selection window, enter the desired criteria by which to filter the items to purchase. To pick only selected items to order, you can filter more precisely within this selection window than you can within many other windows in Sage 50. You can choose the Select option for any of the drop-downs, and then choose only certain selections from the drop-down by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking only the entries to select within the drop-down lists. After selecting the items to purchase, click OK to open the Select for Purchase Orders window. In case the filter you specified includes items you don't really want to order now, the Select for Purchase Orders window lets you choose the exact items to turn into purchase orders. You can check or uncheck the specific items to order in this window. You can also click into any of the values shown in the white columns, like order quantity or unit price, to change those settings too. When finished, you can then print or preview the purchase orders, which are created from your selections, by clicking either the Print button or the Preview button. The Preview button is available from the drop-down menu of choices on the Print button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.